In this video, I'll show you how to create and send customer statements in Wave. To start, go to your Wave dashboard. Once you're there, click on the Sales and Payments option from the left-hand menu of your screen. This will open a few new options. From these, find and click on Customer Statements. Inside the Customer Statements section, open the Customer drop-down menu where you'll see a list of all the customers you've added in Wave. Select the customer for whom you want to create a statement. Next, under Type, you'll have two options. The first is Outstanding Invoices, which creates a statement for invoices that haven't been paid yet. The second option is Account Activity, which generates a statement showing all activity, including both paid and unpaid invoices. Once you've chosen the type, select the date period for the statement. For example, I'm going to set it from the beginning of September to the end of October to include the last 2 months. Then click on Create Statement. You'll now see the complete statement displayed on your screen. It will show the selected dates, followed by the opening balance of that customer before the start date, which in this example is 0. It will also show how much you've invoiced during the selected period, how much the customer has paid, and the closing balance. All figures are displayed in the customer's set currency. For example, in this case, there are 3 invoices issued, 2 of which were paid, leaving the remaining balance equal to the last unpaid invoice, referred to as the closing balance. This closing balance represents the amount still owed by the customer. You can also view the list of invoices with their issue dates, due dates, and how the balance changed with each invoice or payment. Once you've reviewed all the details, scroll back up. To send the statement to your customer, click on Send Statement. From here, you can copy the provided link and send it manually. If you're on a Wave paid plan, you can also send it directly through Wave, but we won't discuss that in this tutorial. Additionally, under More Actions, you can choose to print the statement if you wish to hand it to your customer physically. If you want to preview how the statement looks from your customer's perspective, click on Preview as Customer. This will show how it appears to them on both desktop and mobile, and that's how you can create and send customer statements in Wave.